Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for coming back for another video. You catch me here in the nice countryside, Essex countryside, back roads. Rain's just stopped, levered over the car, and I've just gone for a little drive. Car's sounding lovely now. We've got the HKS blow-off valve on there, and the HKS panel filter gives it a bit more of a grunt when the air pulls through. Still need to do my exhaust system. I'm debating now whether to buy the Blitz Spec R or the Afterburner Raptor, I believe it's called. Right now we've got the Afterburner Extreme on there. The previous owner put that on there. I'm not really liking the sound of it. It's a bit too aggressive for me, really loud, and I want to take this on some long road trips, so I want to get something a little bit quieter, a bit more refined, maybe a bit more nicer tone to it, because right now this is not my cup of tea. Last night I managed to swap over my rear lights back to the standard ones. There was a guy around my way who wanted my blacked out LED lights that I didn't really like, and I wanted his standard ones, so we swapped them over last night. Didn't manage to film that, but I'm going to show you the rear lights now. Much more my cup of tea. They look lovely, they look nice and clean. The car's getting cleaner and cleaner now with the look. Need to get some new wheels still because I don't like these original ones. I need to lower it, and yeah, after that pretty much good to go. Debating about buying a lip kit. I think it would look quite nice, but not too sure. I'm just going for the clean look, and I want to focus more on the mechanical side of things rather than the aesthetic look. I did put in the Sony AX1000. I don't know if you saw that in my previous video. I did an install video for that. So that's in now, perfect. It's got Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, everything I need. So it's brought it right back up to like a modern day car. And that's where my camera cut out. So now we're back here in my room. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching again, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. A lot more videos to come. Again, I'm just trying to improve my video work as well. I'm literally recording all of this off my phone at the moment. I'm hoping to buy a GoPro. Hopefully that might make the videos a little bit better as well. Stay tuned for the new exhaust. It should be here in the next few days. I'm going to buy it in a minute, I think. So make sure you stay tuned, whether I get the Blitz Spec or the Raptor Afterburner, or maybe a little surprise. We'll see. Cool. Peace out.